Hi guys! How are you today? Welcome back to my channel, Adventures in America. Today we're going to talk about the arrival guide for overseas Filipino workers from the Middle East for flights departing from December 21st to December 31st of 2020. My name is Jocelyn and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions or comments, you may post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And now let's get started. Please take note that this video is for passengers of Philippine Airlines, and these are overseas Filipino workers from the Middle East. And there's like a specific time, it's from December 21st to December 31st. Also, there are new requirements. Please take note that you needed to wear a face mask and a face shield when traveling to the Philippines, and also effective November 28th, you needed to download the Traze App. This is a new mobile application for contact tracing, and it is required by the Department of Transportation in the Philippines. Let's go over the official announcement. As a holiday treat for our modern-day heroes, these overseas Filipino workers will be given a free swab test from Philippine Airlines, and they are guaranteed a 24 hours of results for all overseas Filipinos from the Middle East. And there are only specific places or where these flights are coming from. And not only the overseas Filipino workers, but also their dependents. So please take note of the flights from these places coming from the Middle East. This applies to all land-based overseas Filipino workers and their dependents traveling to the Philippines on December 21st to 31st of 2020 and on flights from Dubai, Dammam, Riyadh, Doha, and Bahrain. Sea-based overseas Filipino workers and their dependents shall also enjoy the free test to be conducted by another laboratory testing facility inside the airport. Let's go over the step-by-step procedure for overseas Filipino workers arriving in the Philippines. Before you fly and during check-in, number 1, for land-based overseas Filipino workers, as early as 3 days prior to your departure, register and accomplish the electronic case investigation form and save the confirmation email and QR code. Please take note that Philippine Airlines have their own e-cif and you needed to comply. For land-based overseas Filipino workers, update your account on the OFW Assistance Information System or OASIS at oasis.owa.gov.ph. Number 3, upon check-in, sign the declaration and waiver form presented by our check-in agent indicating that you are healthy and fit to travel. Number 4, accomplish the health declaration form and arrival card. Number 5, upon arrival, listen to the briefing conducted by the Philippine Coast Guard. Number 6, undergo a temperature check, submit the health declaration form upon deplaning, and proceed to the designated waiting area. Fill out the project care slip. Number 7, wait for your turn to proceed to the verification and barcoding booth. Number 8, present the QR code sent to you after accomplishing the e-cif, and you will be given 3 barcode stickers. Number 9, proceed to the swab test booth and hand the 3 barcode stickers to the tester. Number 10, undergo the COVID test for free and receive a sticker indicating that you have completed the test. Place the sticker on the back of your passport. Number 11, help desks are available at the waiting area for passengers who do not have smart devices or phones, and also charging stations are available. Number 12, clear with immigration and submit the arrival card. Number 13, proceed to your respective desks for your quarantine hotel assignment. For land-based overseas Filipino workers and your dependents, proceed to the OWA desk. Submit the OWA Project Care slip, and if you are a sea-based OFW and you have your dependents, proceed to the Maritime Industry Authority desk. Number 14, claim your baggage at the designated carousel and clear with customs check. Number 15, exit the terminal and wait for your shuttle bus that will take you to your assigned hotel. Here are the requirements at the quarantine hotel. 16, check in at your hotel and wait for the release of your results, which are released within 24 hours. For those who tested negative, it will be sent to the email address you have provided when you registered. If you filled out a Philippine mobile number during registration, you will also receive a text message indicating that your test result is ready and has been sent to the email address you have provided when you registered. In case you have onward connecting flights and are required to extend your stay, please call this number as soon as possible for the rebooking of your connecting flights. Also, your accommodation and food during your stay will be shouldered by the Philippine government. Any additional hotel fees due to required extensions will be shouldered by the governing agency. Here are the requirements once you tested positive or negative. If you test positive, the BOQ or the Bureau of Quarantine shall transfer you to a designated hospital for further medical management. If you test negative, you may obtain your Bureau of Quarantine medical certificate via the DOH BOQ certificate page for clearance at your quarantine hotel. For a hard copy of your certificate, printing services will be available at your hotel. Alternatively, you may proceed to the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange to retrieve your BOQ medical certificate. And if you are a land-based OFW and you can also follow up your results, you may contact the following testing partners through the following phone numbers. Once you are cleared, you may contact your relatives to pick you up and bring you home. For land-based overseas Filipino workers, you may coordinate with OWA or use the OWA Uwi Na portal for further transportation needs after your final point of arrival. For sea-based overseas Filipino workers, you may coordinate with your local manning agency for further transportation needs after your final point of arrival. Also, the last requirement is when you arrive home, please complete a 14-day quarantine. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other questions or comments, you may post your comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!